I'm about to show you how to delete your YouTube account in 2026. Let's jump in. Now I have my iPhone and Android here. The easiest way to do it is open up a web browser and go to google.com. Keep in mind you can do this on a computer the exact same. Now from here, we're going to tap on your profile at the very top right. And you'll be able to see it has your email and your name and manage your Google account. Let's tap on that. Now, if you wanted to delete your entire Google account, that is one thing, but you can also just delete the YouTube account within your broader Google account. I'll show you how to do that. From here, all we need to do is choose the data and privacy option here. After we've done that, let's just go down, and you're looking for an option that allows you to delete just YouTube, and that is in the delete a Google service. Now it will show you all of the services that you have here. You can use your fingerprint or your Face ID to open it up, and you'll be able to see Gmail, YouTube, Google Photos, all of those things. Now here is YouTube. All I need to do is tap on the trash can icon, and it will say again, verify that is you. I can just verify that and choose I want to permanently delete my content. And then it will say it's going to delete your videos and your subscriptions. Just tap on that and then hit delete content, and that account for YouTube will be deleted.